So dear students, we are talking about, actually here the combination of tenses means we are talking about possibilities. We are talking about the possible combinations. With present tenses, first form can take first form, and if first form is to take any future, it can take in some such way as I have explained before you. It can take in some such way. Past tenses, diversified, too many options. Past tenses can take the second form of verb, it can combine with another second form of verb. The second possibility with past tenses is, if we have a second form of verb and then there are linkers like when or while. It also can take was, were plus an ing structure. But dear students, as I mentioned earlier in the subordinate conjunctions, a when should take complete task. If there is idea of continuity, we should use while and not should prefer when. The third possibility is, if we have the second verb form, it can be combined with taking like these subordinate conjunctions after or before or even when, and it can combine with had plus third form. So we should focus that this second form of verb, this simple tense, is combined with other past tenses. The simple past is normally combined with the other past tenses. The simple past has the capacity to combine with the other past tenses. I emphasize too much. Simple past tense can have the possibility with other past tenses, and future tenses have the same nature. Future tenses, the very first point that we must mention is there should be no double future. There should be no double future tenses. Means if I use will plus first form, I should be using will plus first form. Instead, I should use only first form. Here, what I mean to say is, we should use first form of verb rather will. As I have mentioned, a first form of verb can combine with these will, shall, can, may. So is the case with this. No double future tenses should be combined with each other, and the next two combinations are the same. We can have first form of verb plus s or es. It can take will, can, shall plus first form of verb, and if there is first form of verb s or es, it can take will, can, shall, have plus third form. Let me give you some examples. Example number 1. If I write when he will return from the journey we shall rejoice over reunion. What mistake do I commit? I have will, I have shall. Two future signs should not be combined in two clauses. So I have a when subordinate time conjunction, and time conjunctions should not take will. It should take he plus return also would not be possible with he, so I should mention he returns. So possibility number two is being discussed here. The very last example that I must quote is when he had joined Brookfield when he had joined Brookfield, he had aimed to be loved. What happens here? As I talked, we are combining past tenses. So, in the combination of past tenses, we should not be using had or third form in a sequence, in a row. Both these clauses cannot take had plus third form. So what should we do? We should combine past tenses with the second form of verb with a simple past. So here had is incorrect. So dear students, this is all from me. Today we have completed our greater task of completion of the combination mistakes, starting from the word with word combination to the combination of tenses. Thank you very much.